You've got these huge dreams, right? You can see yourself succeeding, but you just can't seem to get started.
You can picture that perfect life, but when it's go time, you freeze up. Nothing happens.
Every morning, you wake up thinking, okay, today's the day. You feel totally ready to go.
And then you check your phone. Next thing you know, hours have vanished. Poof! Day's half over.
That night, you're just lying there, feeling guilty, disappointed. Another wasted day, right?
This cycle just keeps repeating. But look, this isn't some flaw in your character. It's your brain.
See, you're living in a constant state of conflict. It's like a war inside your head.
Part of you is aiming for the stars, but another part, it's just trying to stay safe and comfy. Your brain sees hard work as a threat, so it rewards you for picking the easy way out. So no, it's not laziness. It's your brain in survival mode, but it's robbing you of your future.
And you can't just wait for motivation to strike. It's a feeling. And feelings, they're totally unreliable.
Discipline isn't something you're born with. You have to build it one tiny step at a time.
And that perfect plan you're waiting for?
That's just fear wearing a clever disguise.
Think about it. The real opposite of success isn't failure. It's doing nothing at all.
Here's the hard truth. You're probably not going to feel like doing it. Do it anyway. So start small. Be consistent. Let those tiny wins build up. That's how you rewire your brain.
You know, your environment has more control than you think. This isn't about willpower. It's about design.
So, design for focus. Put your phone away. Kill notifications. Make it easier to do the work.
Learning about productivity feels productive, right? But it's not. Stop consuming and start doing. Look, your first try at anything is going to be bad, and that's totally fine. The goal isn't greatness, it's just starting.
Progress is never a straight line. You're going to mess up. Just don't let one bad day derail you.
And beating yourself up? That doesn't help. Guilt won't motivate you. Forgive yourself and just try again.
You're someone with big dreams. You've just been dodging discomfort. Now that you know why, you can change it.
Seriously, stop planning your life and start living it. You've imagined it enough. Now go be that person.
So what's one small step you can take right now? Not tomorrow, right now, go do it.